What is up, Game Time gang? What are we doing today? We're doing 2018 Rookies and Stars football is what we're doing today. We are going to cross our fingers, hold our breath, cross our toes, legs, eyes, whatever it takes to try to get through a box without a missing hit. I have opened 2 boxes in the past week, and both have had 2 new boxes. I've opened other stuff too, but 2 new on the market boxes that have been missing a hit, and that is not cool. I don't know what Panini Quality Control is doing, but they're not doing their job with playoff and Rookies and Stars. So fingers crossed. I'm supposed to get 2 autos, 2 mems. I do realize that this stuff is not all only about the hits. You guys know I love my base cards, but I also want my hits as well. I should. So I was not really happy. The first time it happened, I'm like, okay, well, you know, stuff's gonna happen from time to time. That's just how life is. But when I opened the other box of playoffs, you guys check that video out, and my first autograph was pretty decent, and I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be good. And then, nope, totally missing my second autograph. Alright, just a couple of packs here, as you can see. They're thick. 2 auto, 2 mems. I think I already said that. Hopefully I'll get some parallels. I did get a nice Saquon Barkley parallel last time. Jay Dalton, DJ Moore is the first hit. It is a jersey auto to 99. Dress for success. Carolina Panthers action there. Here's a Julio Jones parallel numbered, ooh, out of 25. I'll call that a nice little hit right there. Sony Michel, Rookie Rush, Precision Pathers Roethlisberger, Precision Pathers Roethlisberger, Gurley Touchdown King, Andy Dalton Action Packed, Deshaun Hand Rookie. That is pack 1. Alright, kids, pack 2. Anderson, Mac Keenum, John Elway. Oh, sweet, a John Elway jersey. Great American Treasures. It is, actually, it is numbered out of, getting that in the light, 99. So that is a nice mem hit for sure. Standing Ovation, AJ Green, Star-Studded Antonio Brown, Precision Passers Jared Goff, a Jalen Ramsey. What is this? I don't know what this. I didn't get one of these in my last. It's numbered out of, it's Airborne, numbered out of 85. I guess a pink version. It looks really good. Trey Flowers and Mike Hughes. So far so good. Fingers still crossed. My eyes are still crossed. I'm starting to get a little dizzy. Kuechly, Robinson, Reed. Here is a True Blue Gerald McCoy. I think these are numbered out of 49. It is. Russell Wilson, Touchdown Club. Kenyon Drake, Action Packed. Kareem Hunt. Oh, Kareem, why'd you have to? Josh Allen, Rookie Rush. Lamar Jackson, Rookie. And green. Richard Sherman, Kamara, Cooper, Little Mari, Robert Woods Airborne. Oh, wow. That is a Robert Woods Airborne autograph. I'm guessing this is numbered. It is out of 25. I'm really digging Rookies and Stars as long as I've got all my hits. I like all these little inserts. The parallels have been really nice. Those have kind of blown me away. Alright. 2 more packs. This feels thick, so I think we've got something going on in here. And it is Joey Bosa, Antonio Gates. Oh, look at that sweet, sweet dual patch. To 49, team duels. 2 4-color patches. think that's all my hits. So, yay. Precision Passers Brady, Touchdown Club Kyle Rudolph, a Dak Prescott Airborne, numbered out of 99. Hayden Hurst rookie, and Naughty. Alright, last pack. Don't think we'll have a hit in this. Should not have a hit in this. Let's see what we get though. Hilton, Brandon Marshall, McCaffrey. We have a Okafor to 10. Okafor rookie to 10. Gold. Sweet. Low numbered parallel. Action pack Mariota. Stafford standing ovation. Calvin Ridley rookie rush. Aaron Rodgers precision passers. Royce Freeman rookie. And Josie Jewell rookie. Let's take a look back at these hits. Craziness. Gorgeous Robert Woods autograph. John Elway jersey. Nice Julio parallel to 25, and the DJ Moore dress for success. Thank you, Panini, for delivering all my hits in this box, and thank you guys for watching me break this box. I think you guys, with all your crossed arms, legs, eyes, fingers, toes, I think that helped, and I appreciate it very much. Okay, everybody take care. Hope you're having a great week, and I'll be back soon.